Hello, students. I'm back with the fourth part of this chapter, Development Economics, for the class 10th. Okay, so we were here on the last part of this chapter, that is the sustainability of development. So, first we need to understand what is the meaning of sustainability or sustainable development also. So, what is the meaning of sustainable development? Sustainable development, firstly, we need to understand this development feature also. We know how we are getting developed. We are getting developed by using our resources, which are given by our nature, like crude oil, like coal, water, okay, and other sources also. But what we are doing, we are using in very bad manner it. We are actually we are overusing it. Everything we are overusing. So just because of this condition has come in this world, that when scientists and everyone is talking about this, then all the resources will be finished in few years. Then how, what is the meaning of development? How then we will develop, you know, then how we will get this same pace which we are all we are going on. Okay, so very nice thought here given. We can see here, we have not inherited the world from our forefathers, we have borrowed it from our children. It means what we think that this world is ours. It is in Hindi we can say भाई कि ये तो हमारे पूर्वजों ने दिया है हमें. Okay, it is given by our father and forefathers. Okay, no, it is wrong. We have taken this world, these resources, borrowed, okay, on loan, credit. We have taken these things on loan from our children, from our next generation. What we will give them? We will give them, we can say, an empty glass. Okay, what we will give them? No coal, no crude oil, no good air, okay, no any resources. What we will give them? So same thing they are saying in this, ki sustainability of development. It needs it. This feature is called sustainable development. Which kind of development should be there? Development should be there. We know, okay. Development should be there, but sustainable, which can become longer, okay, by which we can not pollute or destroy our mother earth. Okay, so the same thing they are saying in the present day. As we know, particular country is quite developed. We would certain that the level of development to go further, it will at least be maintained by the for future generations. So we are not actually thinking about them. Many of scientists are so worried about it, that how this will go, and we can say all the resources will be finished. So one resource like that we have taken here, and that is our groundwater. Okay, I am so personally so concerned about this, as on which rapid speed we are using our groundwater. It is really, we can say, questionable for us also, why we are using it like this. And we all know कि भाई groundwater is a part of renewable source, renewable resource. Renewable is how? So we can recharge it. Okay, we can take the water from the underground, and after that when rain will come, so we can give it back to our uh, land. But it is not happening in many part of the country. Why? Because now in the old time many ponds were made there. Okay, empty ground over there. Okay, so by that when rain comes, so it goes under the earth. Okay, and that time so much tube wells, that electric pumps were not there. People had to, we can say, by the well they have to carry it out, they have to do hard work. But now no hard work, only switch on and you will get water. Okay, so that's why people are using it very rapid speed. We are not recharging our groundwater. Okay, what we are doing, only we are using it. So if only we will use it and we will not recharge it, so it will become a very dangerous condition. I have seen in my own experiences. I have gone many places where the people are crying for the water. Okay, because their last generation na, before them the generation, they have used everything. Okay, so here they are talking about that about 300 districts have reported the water level decline over 4 meters during the past 20 years. This is so good. 20 years now, every year water is going 2 or 3 meters down in many part of the country. In another 25 years, 60% of the country will would be doing the same. So the people will have not have the water, especially in developed areas, plain areas. Okay, so those who are using groundwater. So why we are using, why we overusing this, why groundwater is overused? Groundwater is overused by the factories, industries. Okay, and they have seen in, if I say in Hindi this, so मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि वो कोई प्रॉमिस किया है या कोई कसम ली हुई है कि इस पानी को हम ख़त्म करके छोड़ेंगे. Okay, if we will not finish this water, so we will pollute this. What they do, they use a lot of water for making their factory or their factories cool, and after that our farmers, they are using it in irrigation, overusing actually. They can use other techniques also by using the water in the less number, but they are not using it. Okay, they use it very badly. And those factory owners, what they do is, after using that without treatment of that water, they throw it in a river. They throw the chemical and everything in the rivers, and river are getting more and more polluted. We can't say now our rivers are river. Okay, they do not look like rivers. So why groundwater is overused? So just because of human greed actually, and human illiteracy. Okay, unawareness. Okay, the people who are aware, so they also not take the any action for this. Government are giving them crores and crore rupees of packages. Okay, to clean Ganga, to clean Yamuna. This is not the way. From we can say from one place you are getting that garbage out, and somebody is throwing the more garbage in that, so it is not the right way. So can there be a development without overuse? Yes, why can't? Okay, many countries are doing this. Okay, so but for this we have to use technology. Okay, for this we have to invest money. For this, these factory owners, they have to purchase, what they have to purchase, good treatment plants. By that they can make chemical separate from the water. Okay, they can make the water cool. If we are talking about the air pollution, so they have to use good filters. Okay, but they do not want to use these facilities or techniques, because it is very we can say expensive. Why they will waste the money when nobody is telling them, nobody is stopping them by throwing the chemical in the river? So why they will purchase that? Okay, so that is the reason. Okay, so now we'll go on the next. Okay, groundwater, as I have told you, this is the example of a renewable source, and the resource is replaced by the nature. We all know how it is recharged, and people are using it in the crop and plants. They always talk about these things. They in the book written, people also they talk about this. Why? They always point the finger towards farmer, poor person. Why they are not talk about, why they don't talk about the factory owners on them? Okay, so this is, so for example, in the case of groundwater, if we use more than what is being replenished by the rain, then we would be overusing the resources. Non-renewable resources are those which we will get exhausted after years of use, as the coal and we can say crude oil. They have given here this example number 2. They have talked about here crude oil. It means kacha tel, petrol, है ना? So in the Middle East countries, they are having 803,000 million barrels. Okay, reserve they are having under the earth. So how many years it will take to finish? Around 70 years. In United States of America, 48,000 million barrel. So it will take around 10.5 years. Total world is having 1,691.5 thousand million barrels. So it will take around 50 years to finish. So in around 50 to 55 years we will finish this crude oil. Then how we will get the energy, how our car will go. So we need to search, we need to get these answers. So few people are few companies are making electric car. So from where we will get electricity? We are getting electricity by burning the coal. Burning a coal will be finished in a day. Okay, if we will make the more and more dams, it will be very harmful for the rivers. Okay, so we need to know, we need to search the way. Okay, so this will be called then sustainable development. So these are here. So I hope you understood this. So I will share with you the notes of this chapter. I hope you have made the notes for this one also. So same thing they are telling here. You can, if you will study this, na, the consequences of environmental degradation do not respect national laws, state boundaries. What they are saying, if any we can say environmental degradation, na, if the air pollution is there, water pollution is there, so it does not we cannot consider any like then it is only happening in a country. By if any country will burn more and more coal, okay, so and it will affect to our ozone layer. So can we say that if China is burning the coal, so only China will be get affected by this? No, other countries will also get. If any country is using more and more oil, or they are burning the oil or something kind, na, so only that country will not face this problem. Whole world will face this. So it doesn't consider any state or national boundaries. This issue is no longer regional or national specified. Then it will now whole world have to come together and they have to think about it. All economists or scientists or philosophers and other social scientists are working together. So they will work together. If somebody will happen now, which is happening right now, it is a kind of miracle when people are inside their home, and now we can see the images are coming from the whole world that now the rivers are flowing with fresh water, okay, and good air condition, air quality index. Yesterday I was just watching a news about Delhi. We all know about Delhi. Their air quality index never comes down by 300. Okay, it is very dangerous. Sometimes it goes 500, 600. Okay, so it never I never saw from last 10 years it came under the 300. So now it is around 40. So how can we just then our nature will take this kind of step for making all of us quarantine. Okay, so I hope you understood, my students. So I'll share notes with you and you can make your own notes for this. The question answer are there, so you can find the question and answer. It is not too much lengthy, so you can make it. Okay.